In this video, we're going to be looking at the pen tool. Alright, let's delete this rectangle first. Alright, so click on the pen tool just below the contour tool. Right, so for the pen tool, you can see the rotate, you can click and drag, create starting points or new curves. Right, you can create a starting point like this and also this end. Right, to create a straight line, you can click these old shifts. You can see the outline that shows you the straightness of the line. Yeah, and hold shift again, click here, hold shift here, in. This heals it up. This side is not straight. Hold shift. I'm just gonna do this, come here, right? Or we can click and drag to start our point with the curve. Click and drag. Let's say I want it to be on the side, then click. Because you drag the curve, we bent it from the beginning. So for a curved here, right? So this side, right, and curves down here. We can also try and draw a few things using the outline, right? So guys, let's start with this. Let's first draw a simple rectangle. Then you can go back to the node tool, right? Then begin to edit it, something like this here. But make sure you're clicking on the one until the cursor shows the outline behind it, where you can edit those lines to curve. And you can do something like this here. Just extend that a little here. Alright, and click on the pencil again, continue from here. Let's do this. Then go back to the node tool. Then we look at this. And I can just something simple like this. Then we can also use the outline tool to, I beg your pardon, you can use the pen tool to trace images, right? Let's try and do that. We're going to click, we're using a Windows, you're going to Control Shift M, and if it's a Mac, it's Command Option M. Okay, so it's going to be Control Shift M. And let's choose this bowl, right? And you can just click to place. Once you reduce the size, you drag in the size and hold Control, right? Now I want to trace this using the pen, so you can click on, we need to reduce the opacity of the image first. Let's go to layers, then the opacity, let's be like 50. So you can see when we start drawing on the lines, right? So we can start clicking pen, see this point here, can leave it here first, right? And let's draw another one to this side, another one to this side, another one here to this side. Click another one to this side. Let's edit this other one first. So click on the node tool. You can do this, extend, drag it here, drag this here, drag this here. Actually, adjust this if it's not using these things. If it's not, drag it here to make it perfect. Drag this left side also. Yeah. Yes. Oh, I think I made a mistake. But we can continue from here. Let's click on the pencil again and place it on this one. See the asterisk sign, just like this. Click on this place, click here, and we click here. Now let's go back to clicking the node. So let's edit it. Let's edit this. Let's do this. It's not perfect yet, but we can. Let's see. But I thought you can drag any of these points. Right, Control Z. Let's see. Yeah. This point you can drag the other side to make it perfect. Beautiful. Now let's click on the move tool and let's switch off let's reduce the opacity of the image itself to 0, or click this toggle visibility icon. See your shape. See, it's not perfect. You can always edit it. Right, you can always edit them. Click on this. Make sure it is perfect. Yeah. Yes. And so this is just an example of what you can do with the pen tool. And I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next one.